Do you want to improve your bar or cab photography? Well, watch to the end of this video to find out how you can. Today, we have something truly special for you. We are diving into the world of caf and bar photography, capturing the enchanted atmosphere, delightful drinks, and soulful melodies of a jazz singer. So grab your camera and let's get started. Hi everyone, JC Photography Mallorca here. And today I'm thrilled to bring you along this great photography adventure. Today we are at this bar called El Marinero, and it's well renowned for its unique blend of nice decor and lovely atmosphere along with a fantastic jazz singer. One key tip is to be respectful and mindful of the customers and the live singer. While capturing these moments, remember to be discreet. The goal is to document the atmosphere without disturbing the natural flow of the experience. As photographers, we're always searching for visually appealing environments, and bars and cafes can offer up endless amounts of opportunities. The soft, warm lighting and vibrant colours and intricately designed interiors create an inviting atmosphere that's perfect for capturing memorable shots. But what really sets the place apart is the live jazz music. The soulful melody and talent of the jazz singer adds an extra layer of magic for our photography experience. It's all about capturing the emotion, passion, and the raw talent of the singer. To make the most use of this unique setting, here are some tips to keep in mind. First, pay attention to lighting. Bars and cafes have a mixture of ambient and artificial lighting. Experiment with different angles and settings to find the perfect balance that can enhance the photos. Next, focus on details. These establishments are filled with really interesting elements, such as vintage furniture and captivating artwork. So don't be afraid to zoom in and capture intricate details that can tell a story. Another important aspect is capturing the interactions. Bars and cafes are vibrant social spaces, customers engaging in conversations, the barman preparing drinks, and the live jazz singer or the live singer captivating the audience. These candid photos can make for truly captivating photographs. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment and think outside the box a little bit. Play with different camera angles. Try out black and white photography to emphasize the allure of the environment. Remember, the essence of bar and cafe photography lies in the ambience, the emotion, and the unique spirit of the place. Each establishment has a different story to tell, and us as photographers have the privilege of bringing them stories to life through our lens. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope you enjoyed joining me on this bar and cafe photography journey with live jazz music and captivating visuals. Remember, the ambience, focus on the details, and capture the unforgettable moments. If you found value from watching this video and you learned something today, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified on my next upload. But until next time, keep clicking and keep creating.